It seems at the moment there's a lot more home loan brokers out there that are looking at doing commercial lending as a quick fix to probably their income issues. We're not sure what scares us more with that one. The fact that you've got a home loan broker out there with maybe 1 hour's commercial lending training and then they're set loose discussing with a business whether they should obtain debtor finance or consider trade finance, what GST implications are of a chattel mortgage versus a novated lease. Look, I've just confused myself talking about it. The answer is it's a specialist area, so why we've got home loan brokers out there playing in the commercial space amazes me. The banks have pretty much woken up to that, I think, and they're basically coming out and cancelling accreditations for those that obviously don't know what they're doing, more importantly don't do the volumes to justify the accreditation. So it is a specialist area of business and we've always believed from day one that it needs to be dealt with a specialist business lender, and that's the reason that we've got our business lending team on. The other one that we're amazed by is the home loan brokers out there at the moment that basically have a connection with one of the banks, and they send the client to their commercial lending mate or specialist, if you like, in the bank for a bit of a spotter's fee, and certainly understand the reasonings behind that, and they know they're going to get well serviced. But at the end of the day, what's actually happening to that client? If a loan broker is sending a business client into the bank to see a business lender, how long do you think it's going to be before that client works out, well, I've got a name and a number of a bloke. I could have done that myself by picking up the yellow pages. So that's one issue with it. I suppose the other issue you've got is what happens to that client. If you've referred them to the bank and the business lender at the bank's got them, good luck getting that client back. And when the client needs something next time, who's he going to go to? Is he going to go to you as the home loan lender, or is he going to go to the business lender that he's created a relationship with? Look, we genuinely believe that business lending is important and there are a lot of commercial opportunities out there, and again the beauty of Zobel is that we've got a dedicated commercial team. Zobel Business is headed up by Peter Dossett and his specialist team of commercial brokers. The advantage their home loan brokers have is that if they get a commercial inquiry or a self-employed client that needs some business lending, they refer them on to Zobel Business. Pete and his team make sure that they're looked after, they're given specialist advice, and the beauty is that any income generated from that client will come back to the home loan broker anyway. So it's a bit like having your own commercial lending staff working for you without the expenses of running them. It's a fantastic system and it works really well.